Welcome to Godark Early Access event. So it says it is a decentralized Darkpool built for liquid and private trading. Alright, so this project is secured by Solana, as you can rightly see. Settlement in less than a second. So far, 50k plus people on waitlist. And symbols, I don't even know what that means, but I'm saying 100 plus. It's said to be powered by institutional liquidity providers such as GSR, Capital Union Bank, Sonora, and so on. Futures is built for traders, right? Lightning fast, non-custodial, private, instant execution, among other futures, right? So without any further ado, let's click on early access here. So you to provide your email address, and if you have a referral code, you click here to provide it. So please use my referral code here when you are signing up. After providing your email address and the referral code, you solve a captcha, get checked, and you click on join waitlist. So it says you're on the list. Early access is granted in waves. One priority access, invite other traders. The referral link has been generated as well as your invite code, right? So you earn 20% from your referral's first year activity plus 2.5% lifetime, right? So here is the Godark official Twitter page. Crypto's first dark pool, enhanced execution, absolute privacy, efficient liquidity. Every trade you've made was watched, every position was visible, every move was tracked. Not anymore. Godark, the first decentralized dark pool on Solana, coming soon. The market has been watching your every move. Time to go dark. Alright, so this is it. By following them here, I'm very sure you have access to first-hand information on the progress of the project. Godark is giving away $15,000. Motion designers and video editors, this is for you. Alright, so $15,000 is up for grabs. You can check the details on this post, right? First place, we go with 10k. Second to sixth place, 1,000 each. Top raters will be hired to work with us ongoing. Explore that opportunity and you could get lucky. Guidelines for submission, keep it brand first, right? So this is it, and a lot more about the project is disclosed here. So there you have it, guys. So we don't want to take all your time. That's how to join the Godark Early Access event for potential airdrop. So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.